Tell you what, I do not pick the best days to go camping. Let's see how this turns out. Let's go. What's that like? Aye, we can never catch a break with the weather here, so we're just going for it. Got some Wagyu steak burgers. Gonna cook ourselves up a storm. Hopefully it doesn't end up like the last time when the weather was bad and we wake up like this. But we come prepared now. We've learnt from our mistakes. Over prepare for any situation, because I woke up in a few states up these hills. We've got about 3 or 4 miles to walk one way, which isn't too bad. There's no circular, so I'll be back the same way we came in the morning. These hills may be a little familiar, because it's the ones we love. Didn't want to go too far, just wanted to get on the tent. To be honest as well, this is the first time that this Fox 1's going to see some plus 20 winds and hopefully, well I say hopefully, and rain, more than likely. Already started raining on my way up, but I think it'll smash it. It sounds like a bin bag in the wind, but I think it should be alright. So, over this peak, over the next gin, onto the next gin. I'll see you there. Whew. Definitely got to be a windy one. Well, you know what? I think that right there is bloody lovely. Well, that's the tent up. I can't quite tell if it's going to start pissing it down or not. Kind of feels like it. But I brought the tarp with me again. I don't know why, but I think I'm going to film me trying to put it up because it'll be comical. Because it's not going to go where I want it to go. That never lasted long. That's the rain starting. I've not got the waterproofs on, so I'm going to get in the tent now. And we'll keep our stuff dry, and then get the waterproofs on and come back out. It's definitely not looking the prettiest. This could be a cold night, I must admit. But we like being put to the test. I mean, I'm no expert, maybe a bit noisy, but it's holding. that is so stupid. I just stupid. I need to put something down here. Look at the size of it. Look at that. I need to put like something to weigh this down here. Just keep it stuck. I think that might work. That might actually work. I think I'm going to change this bit here. Change this sort of side. Bring it in a little. fighting a losing battle. This is becoming too silly. Well, whew, it's kind of set up. I'm going to say though, that is the first time that I've set this tarp up with the assistance of a tree. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's actually pretty cool. So like, got this little, oh I need to come out. Nice little space here for cooking. Into the tent. Oh yeah, oh I'm stuck. There we go. Right, let's get some stuff out the bag now. It's going to be a bit rattly. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. I've tried to set the GoPro audio to stereo only. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll cook with it anyway. It'll help us cook, and if we need to put it away after that, we'll just put it away after that. But I'm kind of scared I wake up and it's no here. This is one thing that the tarp's going to help with, is look at that light. Look how shady it is up here. I mean, I don't know where that light's coming from. It's definitely not sunny outside, but I know that we're going to have much sun in the morning. But this tent is the world's worst for it. It's see-through. It's literally a see-through tent. You'd be just as well use a plastic bag or something. But aye, I'll show you what I've got for dinner tonight. There was zero cheaping out on tonight's meal. We have got some British and Japanese Wagyu burgers. A5 Wagyu. We've got cheese, we've got bacon, we've got rolls, we've got digestive, fizzy fish, got garlic butter, salt, a bit of brown, a bit of white, a bit of green. What more could you ask for? Because I have to admit, I'm getting hungry. I feel like outdoor boys. It took me hours to set up that shelter. Digging away, and minus 55 it is outside right now. But I think I'm going to get some dinner on soon. I'm hoping the audio is pretty good, but we shall see. That is fucking loud. I hope it's no for you. But I'm sure I've had these steaks before with Andy. Pretty sure they were good. So, got my two baggies. One's got white and brown, a wee mix. One's just pure white. We're keeping the white for the morning. We'll have a wee bit of the white and brown now. We will point it in here. Moisten. Woo. We are living in luxury in here tonight. Get it all over. That's the good salt too. Sure. Well, that's happening. We've got some pre-made garlicky butter. A wee spoon. We'll get some of that plobbed in the pan. Right. Time to heat this pan up. Woohoo! We're cooking. Cooking with gas. But I just chucked a wee bit of everything in with that butter. Oh, it smells good. It smells good already. We've not even started. Got the rolls, butter too. Right, let's get these bad boys on. Don't know if they're going to fit. Ah, they do. I've got some bacon as well, but I think I'll save that for the morning. I'll put the cheese in the burger. I am rating the new tin. This thing's banging. Cracking. Oh, I dirtied it. It actually smells so good, I'm not going to lie. The garlic butter just melting away there. Look at the shards. Shards. That is no cheap white. That was off the rock. But there is only one thing that I'm missing for these burgers. And some of you might think you know the answer. I know some of you watching will think you know the answer. But the real answer is brown sauce. That is the one thing that I'm going to be missing. And if you think I'm wrong, you can go. I tell you what though, the windbreak worked. There's not a single bit of wind anywhere we go. Can't feel a thing. Look at the smoke rising, kind of. And we're getting smashed. Yeah. Woo! These are cooking nicely. Whoa! Nearly lost the cheese. Right, we'll give that some time to melt. Right. Let's see if we can get this here. Oh! Cheese isn't fully melted, but it's taking too long. We'll try to steam it. Oh fuck, this is hard. And would you just, whoa! Look at that. That frying pan is going to need spanking. Put some water in it and out. I'm pretty happy with them, like. 2 Wagyu burgers. They're quite small. I think that's what I remember now. Now I think about it, for the last time. They were small. But we're used to small things. So, not to worry. Right, let's jump out. Oh. Right. Right. Let's give this thing a try. We'll use the cairn here as a table. Cooked all the way through anyway. Man down, man down! Oh! The tripod was having none of it. But a bit of brown sauce would make it. Look at that though. Move my lane out of the way. Just in time for the sunset. It's bloody freezing though. That wind is cold. I don't know how. That's still holding up as well. It's working. I'm keeping it. We'll see if it's still standing by the morning. Numero 2. Woo! Whoa! My fucking plate! My plate! Where you gone? I was like, yeah, fucking my back up. Doing that again. Wow. Stupid fence, who put that there? What a shot. But this is just what we do now. Come up here with a new £2 mess tin, I think it was called. Come up here, bash some subjects, and work. Right, my hands are freezing. Oh, very cold hands. Oh, I could have made this easier to get in. It's so dark now. Oh, my hands are like icicles. I do have gloves, but I mean, you can't eat a burger with gloves on, eh? That is definite. But aye, that is the sun just going down as well, so good timing with the burgers. Just shows you though, it's like 7:30 and it's pretty much going to be dark in a minute. Oh, aye. I was going to say hopefully that wind calms down, but we all know that it's just not. I've already looked, it's not going to calm down one bit. If anything, it's going to get worse. So, good riddance to the tarp. Bye. A wee sweet treat after dinner is always needed as well. Don't know if it's just me that gets that, but a couple of these, say a couple, full packet, then something else. But I don't think I'll be going back outside today. It is way too cold. But I'll put some bacon rolls for the morning. They can get canned. Let's just see how this weather plays out. There's the rain started. It's only drizzling now though. See if it gets any worse. Torches are out. Feet are freezing. Pretty cold in this tent. Pretty sure this is a 3-season tent, but doesn't feel like it. Feels like more like a 2. It's maybe a 2 actually. Maybe lied. Cold tent anyway. This weather is not getting much better outside. Put the jacket on in the sleeping bag, if you can even see me. Here we peek outside. The wind always calms down as soon as I get the camera out, I swear. It's now just sounding like a nice calm night. Give it a second. Maybe the wind's dying off a bit. It's literally been smashing me for hours. That's it, getting wild. And I ain't giving a damn. Just came out of nowhere. But hopefully we stay dry. Whoa! This shit's smashing.
Bro, I had chili sauce like that in mine one.
Proper mad John. No be bothering me tonight. It's turning pretty crazy in this bitch. I can't get to sleep. It's too much like different noises going on. I can feel the vibrations of the rain on my head, but I'm dry. The tent's withstanding. Fuck knows about that tarp, like. Still there. We're cooking with gas, but it's late and it's noisy and it's not going to be fun in the morning if this rain carries on. Oh, it's bloody freezing. But I'm quite surprised that there's like actual sun. Like, where does that came from? So I need to get myself out in a wee minute and have a wee look at what's happening, but I'm just going to boil some water then out and hopefully try and dry these tents a bit. But it was definitely cold last night, like the noise was fucking mental. I don't know if this helps or makes it worse, but a bit warm steam in the tent. It's kind of warming it up a bit. I'm fucking freezing. It's warming me up a wee bit anyway. Never forget yourself a fresh pair of socks for the morning, because my last ones were fucking freezing. Shout out to the Greg's Cup. This is the baggy white that I brought, that I was telling you about for the morning. It's just a bag of sugar, so I don't know what all the fuss is about. But good shout. Bit puda in a baggie. Where could you ask for? I put 4 teaspoons in that, so half should be 2. But another bag of brown and white, that's gone. So we've no more of that left. This has been boiling for like 15 minutes. There's actually only half the pot left of water. So aye, that's not going to help the tent, because if all that water disappears, that means there's a shit ton of condensation in the air. That's alright. That's all good. I don't have a spoon now though, because I used it yesterday. What can I use to stir? Oh. Wow. Wow. Well, wow with the wow with the wow. That was pretty bloody successful, guys. Oh. Cratter. That's bloody cratter. I need a stirrer. I need something to stir my coffee. That sun's gorgeous, so I use, but I wasn't quite expecting that this morning. Look at that! Pumping. Tent has survived. It's pretty dry, it's all done. I think what I'm going to do is unclip it and flip it over that fence and let it dry. Just let it flap in the wind a bit more. Oh boys, what a morning. Look at the hills. I tell you something, it didn't say the weather was going to be like this yesterday. It was meant to be fucking shit. Let's get this peg out, that's what I'm going to use to stir my coffee. Oh no, it's brilliant. This is going to ruin my setup, man. A wee bit dirt will only hurt us. Oh! I'm burnt! Ah! Oh. Chilly boys, chilly. Right, let's get this. I'm going to take this bit off. Just kind of leave it like that, dry it. Then the tent can dry a bit. Bye, we're going to leave the bacon rolls this morning. I'm not actually that hungry, to be honest. I do this every time. I'm never hungry in the morning. But it's getting 9:30 now. We've been chilling a bit for ages. Had our coffee. I'd say we've dried the tents off pretty well. The OAX is looking dry anyway, for once. So I think it's time to pack up the bag and get back to the car. It was a successful one. We had some good cooking last night, so don't ruin it when we're on a high. So I'm going to start packing my bag. Time to get this bad boy done. See how it goes. I am the fucking head whisperer. Oh, the bag always feels much better in the morning. Nice and light. No full of shit. Another successful camp on the cards. Leave no trace, as usual. No shite has been left behind. Make sure I've not forgotten anything. Right, we're going to jump this fence. Oh, that's the way back we're going to be heading. Or is it? Can't quite remember now. I think so. I need to tie my laces actually. But we're on the road again. Van's all the way down there somewhere.